More breaking updates coming in of trouble mounting for actor Darshan as the police reportedly write to the Income Tax Department to probe the money trail in the case. Sources tell Times Now that the Bengaluru police have seized 70 lakh rupees during the course of the investigation. According to the norm, any money seizure exceeding 10 lakh rupees have to be intimated to the Income Tax Department. So, Imran, there's more trouble for actor Darshan with the money that has been seized. IT Department also being informed.
Well, yes, there was, in the case, there was earlier 4 people had come who had surrendered and said that they are the victims, but over the course of investigation, when the police found out and that this is not, in fact, there were a lot of calls from Darshan on their mobile phones. These 4 had even tried to bribe the police, saying that, they not to bring Darshan's name. And over the course of investigation, they found that Darshan had also kept some money amount to be in case, to hush up the case, and he escaped himself from the entire not being named in the case. Now, based on that, the police have now, as customary, returned to the Income Tax Department, and what they're saying is that they'll also follow up with the procedure on that.
Okay, all right. Imran, thank you for joining us with those details. So, more trouble for Darshan, but more troubling are the details that have come in of Pavitra Gowda, who has shown no remorse whatsoever and has been seen applying makeup in police custody. There's been a dereliction of duty from the police officials as well. A woman sub-inspector who was tasked with her security has also been issued a notice with questions being asked on how is it that a murder accused in custody is being given access to makeup. Details coming in of how Pavitra Gowda had applied makeup in judicial custody. There are also pictures that show her smiling with anger across Karnataka over the fact that no remorse is being shown. Amid that, there's also a money trail that has been established, 70 lakh rupees being seized during the course of the investigation. The IT department has also been informed of the same.